Good morning students. Today we will study about nitrogen cycle. Nitrogen cycle is the cyclic flow of nitrogen between living world to the atmosphere, again from the atmosphere to the living world. This ongoing and continuous process of flow of the nitrogen between these two is known as nitrogen cycle. It gets completed in 5 major steps. Step number 1, nitrogen fixation. Step number 2, nitrate assimilation. Then comes ammonification, nitrification and denitrification. These are the major steps of nitrogen cycle. Let's start with the first topic, that is nitrogen fixation. So during nitrogen fixation, nitrogen is converted into nitrate. Actually speaking, although 78% of nitrogen is present in atmosphere, that's a good amount of nitrogen, but it's a poor state that plants, they cannot use this elemental nitrogen directly. They want nitrogen in its compound form, that is nitrate, because this compound form can be easily absorbed by the plants and it is easily soluble with the soil also. That's why this conversion becomes important. During nitrogen fixation, nitrogen, as I told you, can be converted into nitrate. This conversion of nitrogen in its elemental form into nitrate in its compound form is known as nitrogen fixation, the first step of nitrogen cycle. It can happen by 3 means. 1. Biological nitrogen fixation, then industrial nitrogen fixation or atmospheric nitrogen fixation. If nitrogen is being converted into nitrate by some bacteria like rhizobium and blue-green algae, then this type of fixation is known as biological, because by biological means it has been converted into nitrate. If it is done by with the help of some chemical fertilizers, like we apply directly some chemical fertilizers to the soil which is having a rich amount of nitrate, then we say that this is a kind of a industrial nitrogen fixation. If nitrogen is being converted into nitrate by some atmospheric means like lightning, during lightning also nitrogen can be converted into nitrate. So that is a positive aspect of lightning. So these are the 3 types of nitrogen fixation. It can be done biologically, it can be done industrially by means of chemical fertilizers, or it can be done by atmosphere also. All 3 are types of nitrogen fixation. Now from elemental nitrogen we are having nitrate, the compound form. Second step is nitrate assimilation. The literal meaning of assimilation means utilization. Now this nitrate will be utilized by the plants, but they cannot use elemental nitrogen. This fact we already know. So if they are now available with the nitrate, the compound form, they will try to make protein out of it. That is called plant protein. And we know animals are heterotrophic in nature, they feed on the plants only, so ultimately animals will make animal protein. So what here I want to say is, in nitrate assimilation, nitrate is being first utilized by plants to make plant protein, then by animals to make animal protein. Assimilation's literal meaning is utilization. Now nitrate is utilized. Third step is ammonification. Now you know plants and animals will not remain for always. They will die also. So dead plants and animals, when they die, then their body gets converted into ammonia by the action of some bacteria which are present in the soil, because you know bacteria, fungus, they all are decomposers. So they decompose their body and release another nitrogen rich compound, that is ammonia. Now after ammonification, next step is nitrification. Ammonia released from the dead remains of plants and animals gets converted into nitrite. Nitrite is NO2. Then and this happens by the action of another bacteria called Nitrosomonas. Then nitrite get converted into nitrate. So if you don't remember the name of bacteria, you can simply write decomposers or bacteria. Then ultimately again the ammonia gets converted into nitrate by the action of some bacteria. So we can say nitrification is the process of conversion of ammonia into nitrate. And then ultimately the denitrification. In denitrification, whatever nitrate the soil is having, it gets converted into nitrogen. Now again the compound form of nitrogen gets converted into elemental form and it goes to the atmosphere. So we know this is a cyclic process. From the atmosphere it has reached to the soil, and again from the soil or from the living world, again it goes to the atmosphere.